Hello everyone, my name is Kanika and I'm a founder of GoStudio.AI. So as you know, we are running the series of AI tools, the free AI tools that we have. So on that, to continue with that series, I just log in and if you log in with GoStudio.AI, so you will see this kind of interface. So this is our dashboard. So in the sidebar, you can see there is an option of AI tools. I just click on AI tools option and you can see there are so many AI tools which is very helpful and people are using. In the last video, if you remember, we just used the free birthday photos and how you can get the free birthday photos. I explained that. In this video, we are just going to see how we can get the free hijab headshot. So the women's wearing hijab, for them this is very helpful. So what you can do is you can just upload your one of my image. So here I upload one of my image. Uh, Now there is an option to select the model. We have three models. One is default, the latest one, and the advanced one. For you, I'm just selecting the advanced, and there is so many options and themes according to your profession or your style you can select. So right now I'm selecting the this medical one, and just click on generate now button. Now wait for a few seconds. So here we go. As you can see, I uploaded this image and I get this headshot. So after generating the headshot, as we are modifying our platform, making it more better, now there is more options also. You can just edit your image, you can upscale your image, or you can colorize your image. So let's edit this image. So I'm just clicking on AI edit. It will redirect you to the AI editor page. From here also you can just select the model, whatever you want. I'm selecting the Nano Banana 2 and I just want to remove the background of this image. I just click, I just write on, you can write your own prompt as well. I just select the remove background and I'm just clicking on generate. Now it will remove the background and provide you this same image without destroying the quality or anything in this image. So as you can see, let's remove the background. This image I uploaded and just I gave the prompt to remove the background and getting this one. So now you can download this image from here, and also your all the images are saving in my library section. So you can see whenever you want. So this is very helpful app and helpful tool actually, and you can try within GoStudio.ai free of cost. So support as much as you can and give your criticize feedback so that we can improve our platform by getting your feedbacks and come up with so many great things also. Thank you so much for support. Bye bye.